another day, another trip out with my white cane. So in this footage I'm palming my camera so you can actually see my finger in the bottom of all the footage. Sorry about that. My camera's not very big and it was raining and I was soaking wet and I did not want to put a hat on just so that I could record some footage, as much as I love you guys. So this is all shot at kind of waist height and it shows me leaving a store and then working my way around to where the bus stops are in Southampton. As I said, it's raining, there's lots of people, it's busy. The rain makes it a lot harder for blind people who have some vision, well, some of us, because it makes everything shiny and have glare. So a lot of times we can actually see less, not to mention the whole rain on your glasses thing, which doesn't help. So I'm just doing my best to navigate and try not to hit anyone. So hitting that grate is my sign that I need to make my turn. Don't always hit it. I can normally kind of tell with the shock line as well and using sound shadows. So again, I'm heading down towards the bus stops. Now I'm stopping. A lot of you are triggered that I look left and right when I'm crossing the road. Hey, I'm going to use everything I've got. I want to live. I can only see a little bit, but I'm going to use the vision that I have got. But it is mostly my ears. If you're wondering about what doing this stuff with a low visual field is like, look at my pinned vids. There's a video on there that kind of simulates it. So I've made my assessment. The road is clear. And off I go, off to my bus home.